If you're seeing watermark on your PowerPoint slides and want to remove it, this quick video will show you the easiest way to do it. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. Go to the View tab at the top. Click on Slide Master. In Slide Master View, look through the layouts on the left and find the slide that contains the watermark. Click the watermark text or image, right-click on it, and choose Cut or Delete. Once the watermark is removed, click Close Slide Master at the top. That's it! The watermark is now removed from your PowerPoint slides. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.